What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing and productive day. And before I start this video, we're gonna pick the first ever winner for this 10-day, $100 a day giveaway. So I'm super excited. There's been a lot of people entering. And just one quick note before I announce this first winner is that if you didn't win, don't be discouraged. Don't complain like most people would do. You know, be supportive of that winner and just know that you have 9 more chances to win $100, and plus all the giveaways I'll be doing in the future. So don't be discouraged, just see it as a good sign instead of complaining, because people that complain are the people that get left behind. So without further ado, let's go ahead and announce this first winner. And by the way I picked the comments was I literally just went to the YouTube video and from yesterday, by the way, and I scrolled through all the comments until it had all of them loaded, and then I just scrolled through and just landed on one random one, and this is the one that I landed on. Micah Ninja says, stumbled upon your channel months ago while searching for entrepreneurs to get insights from. Been a follower ever since. The timing is actually surprising because I was in the process of finalizing my first dropshipping store plan. So if I were to receive an extra $100, I'll definitely invest it straight into the business. Hope you'll keep creating great contents that will inspire many young viewers all the way from the other side of the globe. I really appreciate you and everybody else that's entered. So what I'm gonna do is have an email in the description where I'll have the info for everything that I want you to send me to verify that it's you, as well as all the other variables of the giveaway. So go ahead and make sure to leave a like and comment on this video, and go to the top of the description to see the exact steps on how you can win $100. I'm doing this over the next 9 days, picking one person every single day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. And basically what this is literally just a couple-minute clip of post Miami Mentorship giveaway. This was the giveaway I did last weekend from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in Miami and downtown. We had an awesome place with 2 students. One already lived there and 2 from Chicago. And they got to spend those 3 days with my team and I just learning directly one-on-one, which was super awesome. So it's sort of just like a reflection. And I thought you guys would find it interesting. So let's get into it.
3, 2, 1.
You recording?
Yes.
All right. So it is officially day 3 of the Miami Mentorship giveaway mastermind. I don't know exactly what I would call this, but it's been an awesome 3 days. Just learning a lot, even myself, and then helping these 2 guys right here learn about e-commerce. So this right here is Brandon, and this right here is Eric. They were the 2 winners. Brandon was actually already from the area. Eric was from Chicago. But I don't know if you guys have a few things you want to talk about, maybe some things you've learned, or if you enjoyed it or whatever. Since this is my first time doing it, what do you think?
So I learned a lot. I learned a lot of new strategies. I also learned how to overcome overthinking, and I also learned something really important from Noah. He gave us a flow chart, like what to expect when running ads, because usually a lot of people, they get a sale in the first or second day, they freak out and emotions get to them. So oh, what do I do? Do I scale it now? Stuff like that. So the flow chart really helps me know what to do, expect what to happen. And I also learned a CBO strategy. So when you're done with the testing phase, because a lot of people stay in the testing phase, as Noah said, and I learned how to transition that CBO scaling strategy, because before I never even knew of that. So I learned a lot, and I'm really happy I had the opportunity to do this.
Heck yeah, and we gotta keep it going. Right now, the one thing though is their ads are still in review that we launched for product testing, and they're leaving tomorrow, so we'll have to keep this going over time and do some calls. But what about you, Eric?
Oh man, I learned a lot. Honestly, a lot more than I would have alone. Not only from Tanner, but from everybody here. It was a good perspective from different people. Having successful dropshipping businesses. So I mean, it was just learning a lot from different people and just a lot of good advice.
Definitely, and it gives me a good idea if I ever do this again, whether it's a giveaway or a paid opportunity. I think it was great that instead of just me here, I had multiple people to give, like Eric said, different perspectives of different areas within business. Because obviously some people are better and spend more time at different things than maybe I do. So I think overall it's just a great learning experience for everybody. And I think we helped each other, really, honestly. I've learned a lot from this, just meeting you guys, knowing better ways to teach, since this is my first time doing something in person. I think it's just a great experience overall. So I want to give a shout out to everybody that's helped me out with this. Eric, Brandon, Noah Brewer, Dennis White, Vince, and Ariel behind the camera. And who else was here? Did anybody else come? Wes was here, one of Noah's students. And really just everybody watching this video. I really appreciate all you guys supporting me, and even the 2 winners. A lot of people didn't win that entered the giveaway. So I appreciate those of you that supported the 2 that did win, instead of just complaining. A lot of people just complain throughout life,
instead of taking action on whatever their negative situation is to get out of that. So yeah, I appreciate everybody here. Appreciate all of you watching. Looking forward to the future. So see you later.